Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Let me introduce myself. I am Aigerim Ermekbay and I am a lawyer. But I love reading books, especially Kazakh, Russian, American and English writers. And this channel about LLB, literature, law and writers. If you're interested in all this, welcome to my channel. And so, today we will talk with you about book Silently Raging Fauna by Gulnar Zhandybaeva, young Kazakh writer. In addition, she was engaged in business for more than 10 years. And after the bankruptcy, she began writing Turning Point. She is the winner of 5th Writers Marathon organized by Astana Book Club and iBookU. The book was written in 2016. The book was published by crowdfunding of shares on site berebirge.kz. On October 2018 in Almaty was the presentation of this book. This book consists of 2 parts with 32 stories about animals. Yes, it is about animals. In the beginning, I thought maybe this is fairy tale. It turned out no. These are stories about difficult life of animals, of the world in the habitat and outside. The author also adds to their existence a certain meaning which we miss in our common life process, as we are used to exploiting and using the inhabit the planet for our own selfish purposes. We forgot that we are just adjacent to them and do not want to share anything. Stories made me understand that animals have feelings. True, the stories are very sad and tragic. Places without tears cannot do. This book also tells about animals that are disappearing. For example, snow leopard. This time about the fact that living beings who can feel, experience and live for millions of years on Earth should live, as far as possible, free and unequal. We will not allow mercantile instincts, interests to kill, kidnap and love in us. Thank you for watching this video. Welcome to my channel.